Finding the ideal dishwasher for your home is simple with Miele's exceptional range. Whether you're upgrading or designing a new kitchen, Miele offers innovative solutions tailored to your space and lifestyle. Firstly, consider which installation type would best suit your kitchen from one of our 4 installation types.
Freestanding, built under, semi-integrated, and fully integrated. Freestanding dishwashers are versatile and easy to position and install. These models are perfect for kitchens without built-in cabinetry. Built-under dishwashers are adjustable in height. These fit seamlessly under benchtops, creating a streamlined look. Semi-integrated dishwashers combine built-under functionality with a custom front panel for a harmonious kitchen aesthetic. Fully integrated dishwashers offer a sleek, minimalistic design. These models are completely hidden behind cabinetry. For handleless kitchens, Miele's knock-to-open technology is the ultimate choice, opening with a gentle tap. Next, select the right dimensions. Standard dishwashers range from 81 to 87 centimetres in height, fitting up to 14 place settings, while XXL models, ideal for taller benches, range from 84.5 to 91 centimetres and fit 15 place settings. At Miele, we believe that your precious glassware should be your everyday glassware, which is why our FlexLine baskets are adjustable with specialised holders for your favourite stemware and crockery. Miele's G7000 dishwashers take convenience to the next level with AutoDOS. This smart system automatically dispenses the perfect amount of detergent for every cycle, ensuring sparkling results. Paired with the power disc, you'll enjoy consistent performance and never worry about manual dosing again.
With Miele, you're choosing quality, innovation, and timeless design. Discover the perfect dishwasher for your home and elevate your dishwasher experience.